Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can turn on live captions for audio, for example, you listen to in the Shift AI browser. So let us dive into this. So what you want to do, guys, in the Shift AI browser is navigate to the quick settings menu in the top right, scroll all the way down and choose advanced settings here. Then navigate to accessibility and enable live captions here. As you can see, it may be these captions may be created for audio and supported languages. So you can customize the language settings below. English will be most likely set to default for you, so you can make it default or remove it, or you can add more languages by clicking into this button, provided the language package is supported. Bear in mind also that Shift uses Chrome, so it works almost the same way as on Google Chrome. The interface, the layout looks a little bit different, but the process is actually the same. So click into Add Languages here, and then you may look for the given language. I don't know why I'm not seeing any languages here, but you should see these languages here. Click into Add. In my case, I can click only on Cancel and use English for reasons unknown. But that's at least, guys, how you enable captions, live captions in the Shift AI browser. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.